Hello everybody, welcome back to another adventure with Charlie's Adventures, where we tell you no lies. We're headed back up on the mountain today. We felt that new fresh logging the other day, and we're headed back up on the mountain to do a little bit of different deal today. Change it up a little bit, and we're going to go do a little exploring, looking for some new places to maybe plant a small food plot or two, and maybe a new hunting spot, maybe good place for a ladder stand, or you know, we're just going to do a little exploring, what we're going to do. And we're going to take a different road than we normally do, so that'll be something new. So this will more or less be a ride, and I guess we could call it an adventure with Charlie's Adventure. When I was parking there a few minutes ago, there was a side-by-side come in behind me when I was backing the trailer in, turning, and it was a man, a woman, and their kid, a family outing. That's a good thing. But anyway, I'll catch back up with you all when we get on up here to the other road that we're going to take today. Change it up a little bit. So get you a glass of lemonade, sweet tea, your adult beverage, pop you a bag of popcorn, get you a bag of tater chips, or fry you a hamburger, whatever, and come on and go on along with this adventure with Charlie's Adventures. Oh, I'm going to add one more thing. The weather is a Saturday, August the 10th, and the temperature is right. Got a little bit of breeze. It ain't humid. The humidity's dropped a little, so it's a pretty enjoyable, pleasant day. I just wished I'd have got a little earlier start, but oh well. Alright, get you a beverage, something to snack on, and let's go on this adventure. We're back up here to the washout. You can tell it's getting worse. This one big rock right here, something else, and then that other one right there. Eventually this place is going to get to where it's impassable. I guess it'd help if I locked it in four-wheel drive. Getting bad right there, folks. Keep hoping that Mother Nature will come and fix it herself, but it don't look like she's going to. Alright, we're about midways up, and I wish that the camera would show how hard we're climbing. I know it don't. I'm thinking about getting one of them gauges to show how steep the incline and side to side too angle. They used to have them for Jeeps. I'm assuming they still make them for the side by sides. I don't know. I was thinking about that the other day. hill right here, it's steep and rocky, rutted out. Another thing is I'm pretty sure I've got a busted right front shock on the Pioneer 520. If I can remember, when I got the camera out, I'll video it. Showed y'all the oil's leaking out of it, I think. And if that's the case, then Charlie's Adventures is getting ready to buy at least a pair of shocks, if not a whole set. I don't know which ones will be aftermarket, Walker Evans or what is it, 421s or 419s or whatever. There's just a couple of companies that build aftermarket shocks for the Pioneer 520. Hey, if you all got experience with either or, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about the ones you got, or know somebody that's got them or whatever. But I think Charlie's Adventures will be getting some shocks for the Pioneer 520 just any time now. Won't be long. If I remember right, there's like a 6 or 8 week lead time on getting the shocks after you order them. So we'll see. I know they're pretty expensive. And if I must get the aftermarket shocks, I could probably run a little more air pressure in the tires and get a little ground clearance. More so than I am now. Right now, you know, the ride's not terrible if you just ease around like me. But I had to run a lower air pressure in the tires to try to get the ride that I'm looking for, the best ride possible. And I think with the aftermarket shocks that I would be able to run more air and get probably a little bit more ground clearance. Everybody, right here is where we're getting ready to take another road, but I can see a tree down right there in the distance already. Hopefully we can get around it. Normally we go up, but today we're going straight. And I'm thinking that this will take us around to that logging that I ran into the other day. There's some tracks through here, and it looks pretty wide. I don't know if it's a truck, a vehicle, or a big 1000 side by side. Not for sure. But we're getting ready to find out. Serves me right, we're going to run into that new logging around through here. I don't know for sure, but that's what I'm thinking. We're going to explore some new territory. Boy, right here's a deep hole. I did lock it in, but I don't know that I would have had to or not. And I know you all can't see, but this ridge right here up above us, I'm pretty sure that's some of that new logging up there. The other day when we went across the top. I don't know if we're around far enough to that yet or not. We're getting ready to find out. Getting ready to try to start working on the Bronco 2 project a little bit. Yes, right up above us is logging. So I'm pretty sure I'm right on this. We're going to explore and learn it together. How's that popcorn tasting? And your beverage of choice. Might want to crack you open another one. This video here could be a long one. I'm running in on some fresh excavation right here, right now. And right there is where we were at the other day, before I come down and had to back up. If the video runs long, I'll do what I always do. I won't make it an hour or nothing. I'll try to hit it 30 minutes or less, and maybe several parts. That's what I normally do. Alright, yeah, they've had a dozer out through here. So that tells me this logging is going to come this way. If I'd have been smart, I would have brought up Onyx Hunt and looked at the property line, and that will give me an idea of where they're going to go logging wise, property wise. This is an old mine around through here. That's what this road was an old coal mine. Coal used to be a real big industry around here, but it's not anymore. My daddy was a coal miner. I can't say I was a coal miner's daughter, but I was a coal miner's son. And my 4 sisters can say they was a coal miner's daughter. But yeah, it looks like they're going to come on around through to where we just come on to this fresh excavation. And this is recent because everything's still green. The trees that are down, they're still green. Started wilting a little bit, but other than that, they're still green. So that's been pretty recent. I may bring Onyx Hunt up. All right, I've brought pulled up on X Hunt, and according to it, it's a land company land here that they're logging. Acres. They're out in New Hampshire. Feeling they're getting ready to just tear this all to pieces. Hopefully they'll leave the road open. Hopefully when they get done they won't close the road off. Be nice. Acres is a lot of land, people. They brought the dozer around just clearing the road to get ready to log like crazy in here. back to you if we come across something interesting. We can come up on the cutter and the track hole and the bulldozer where we was at the other evening. So my hunch was right. A lot of money sitting right here. Right there's where we went at. I guess it's somebody with a track hole just messing around. They stacked rocks up on them trees that they cut off. Why don't you check that out? Can you all see that? That's pretty crazy. You know your logging company's serious when they got their own road grader. Keep these roads for the log trucks to get in and out in good shape. Big galleon. They're serious about their logging. See that view. It's absolutely beautiful, except for this logging here. And you can see right over there, that's the way we came. But look way down in that holler there. These Tennessee mountains are beautiful. Alright, folks. Head up through here. Hadn't been up through this in a while. Last time I was up here it was pretty rough. And actually I didn't go up it, I came down it. This should take us across the top. We just come from around to our right and another road around to our left. This should go across the top. We're going to see how bad the road is. It used to be, the last time I was through here, it was rough. out up there to where we found the new fresh logging the other day. This should bleed into there. I've got the Pioneer 520 locked in. And it looks like it's probably a pretty good thing to do. Wow. Well, we just barely made it over that log. What these bugs is are falling in here on me. Ants, I believe. This right through here is thick. They didn't clear cut it. They just about did. There ain't a whole lot of traffic coming through here. That's little bitty berries is what that is. I thought it was bugs. There ain't very much traffic coming through here. This here's been logged years back. It's recent, but it's been, I don't know, I'm gonna say 5 years. Go ahead and unlock the Pioneer 520 here and give it a rest for a minute. Like it's starting to open up a little, maybe. Several logging roads headed over the side, over here on the right side of it. Looking for places that would make a good spot for a food plot. Just small little spot. And I'm not necessarily, like I said before, not wanting to do that to hunt over. Here's Ashton calling me.